Alright you guys, today is payday. A good day today. I need to go make a withdrawal and pay back somebody I borrowed money from so I can get some 2-inch flat bar, actually 2.5 inch, that's all they had. So I'll work with that, but I gotta get them paid back. Got the flat bar a couple days ago so I can get it cut up and get it ready to be installed as eaves. Last thing I need to do before painting. Really excited for it. Getting a little rain today. Actually, it'll be the next... Going to be rain for the next few days, actually. Seems like rain's trying to come back early this year. But it's only a few days, and then we will be back up into the mid to high 70s with sunny weather for the next week or so. I'm looking at a 10-day forecast. I can't remember exactly, but it should be dry enough to get some painting done. I just need to finish installing these eaves. Everything's cut. I just need to grind the edges, get it ready for welding. Getting a little bit of sprinkling today, so I'm gonna take this trip into town, get my debt paid off. Wanted to grab that steel before somebody else got it. They were down to their last 60 feet, and I needed 40 feet. So it was nice to get that done and out of the way. Everything's cut. Just need to prep it for welding. I need a little bit of food. I want to pick up some wiper fluid, some winter stuff this time. I'll never buy summer wiper fluid ever again. It just freezes in the winter. Unless there's some benefit to it, I don't know. Maybe it works a little better than winter fluid. I don't know why they would ever make wiper fluid that can freeze. You don't use it during the summer. At least I don't. I don't know. I need to get some socks. I have worn out almost every pair of my socks except for like 2 or 3 pairs. There's only 2 or 3 pairs I have of socks that don't have holes in them now. And I got kind of tired of it, so I just started throwing them away. And I have like almost no socks, so I need to pick up some socks. What else? I would like to get another face shield lens for my face shield. That's getting pretty dinged up and hard to see through. Not quite ready to replace yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and get that ahead of time. I think it was a nice RV. Oh, I cannot wait to get back on the road, back to RV living. It's where I belong. I must get this RV done. I might pick up some leather sleeves. I need some better welding sleeves. The Tillmans I got, which I think are goatskin and flame resistant cotton, which doesn't catch on fire, but it sure does burn holes through it easily. So I'm not really a fan of those. They're falling apart. The stitching on one came out pretty quick, and then the other sleeve is now falling apart finally. So those are going out the door. So I might pick up a set of leather sleeves. I don't know. We'll see what the price is on them. But can't spend too much money. I need to save as much as I can for paint. I'm going to get that paint done this week. What day is it today? Well, over the next week, because we got some nice weather coming up. So I feel like it might be my last chance. It's probably not, but I'm gonna go ahead and get that done ASAP. RV is just about ready for it. Patches has just about everything done on her. If I get the painting or priming done, get the windows installed, get that weather stripping installed, she'll be completely sealed up. I can keep her dry on the inside and work on her throughout winter. Really looking forward to getting this last few things done to accomplish that. socks. Maybe see if they have some wiper fluid as well. And sweet, I just got an email telling me I've been refunded $21.71 for Tinder. Tried getting on a dating app. The longest time I've been wondering if that was worth it. Boy, it was not. Right away I was like, this is too many fake accounts. Yeah, way too much money for 1 week. $20 for 1 week. That's $21.71 with tax. Surprised I actually got the refund. So that's real nice. That's good news. Dating apps are not worth it. Nothing but garbage and fake accounts. Never again. Pack. Wicking. That looks good to me. Plus 32, plus 32. Why would you ever sell this stuff? It's just gonna freeze. Negative 20. Let's go with that. Alright, decided to get another pair of work boots. I went a half size smaller since these don't really fit me too well. They're kind of loose, and so I leave them laced up loose and use them as just kind of as slip-ons. I'm also using them as hiking shoes, so they're getting kind of worn out pretty quick. And they're pretty important. They got steel toes in them. They've been probably saved my toes at least once. But they're pretty nice for 40 some bucks. It's supposed to be waterproof. I will skip out on welding supplies. I think this is a little more important than that, having some good shoes. Since I've been slipping them on and off, the insides have been getting kind of worn out, so I should probably just stop doing that. But yeah, feels good. I wanted to get me a new pair of work boots. Socks, shoes, windshield wiper fluid. Let's skip on the welding supplies. I don't absolutely need that. There's a cool old RV. Travelcraft. I like it. Alright, got a pretty good haul and under $100. That's awesome. A couple loaves of bread, shredded cheese for my veggie wraps. Cauliflower, I'm going to change it up a little bit. I haven't gotten cauliflower in a while. Sour cream. I got some potatoes at home, so I've been enjoying some baked or microwaved potatoes. Coleslaw for the veggie wraps. A couple cans of tuna. This stuff's really expensive, but it is incredibly good. I've never had such good tuna. Onions, carrots, tortilla shells, milk. I've been enjoying some milk lately. Whole milk. I'll tell you, that's really good. Feels good to have some food. That'll last me a while. Let's go get this RV finished up. Oh man, there's this good looking girl in yoga pants in there. Smiled at her. She smiled back. Need to dress a little better when I come into town. I'm really tired. I probably got about 4 hours of sleep last night, but that was nice. That was I needed that. Talking to the old buddy again too. Finally got into contact with somebody I quit talking to, and that feels good as well, to have a buddy that I could chit chat with. I was feeling pretty down the past few days, really down. My boo, thank you for still talking to me. He's a good guy. Started playing games together and he turned out to be a pretty cool dude to chit chat with and keep in touch on Discord. Being completely alone is horrible. Kind of hit me all of a sudden a few days ago. Yeah, now I just need me a lady. Boy, she's good looking too. I don't know. I'm not good with approaching women. Gotta start at some point though. He also is doing the RV living thing. He's got a big old diesel pusher. It's really awesome, actually. Oh, that's a cool little setup there. Converted a truck camper to a trailer camper. That is sweet. I like that. There's also an RV up in the parking around the corner at the store. A lot of RVers over here lately. Awesome to see. Alright, let's get on back. Maybe get a little nap and get back on that RV. Oh, it is beautiful over there. It's so weird when they make you drive on the side of the road. Feels dangerous. Crack fixing. Fixing those cracks, there's a lot of them. You're gonna be busy a while. That looks like a big old air compressor blowing out the cracks, getting it ready for tar. Chip seal. Expect long delays. Yeah, there's that rain off in the distance. I can see it. I can smell it. Oh, now it's hitting the window. I called it. I can smell it. Got some pretty cool RV living vlogs. Maibu, if you want to comment down below, I will pin your comment. If Maibu wants, if I pin his comment, go check him out. Pretty pretty awesome seeing his journey too.
Alright, you guys, stay tuned. We got a little bit left on this RV, and then we can paint. Some eaves cut, just need to be welded on. Well, prepped and then welded on. And then, yeah, we'll be that much closer to getting back on the road.